Hi again and welcome back to The Inner Advantage, 31 days to think like a CEO. Now, let's be honest, not every month goes to plan. Sales might dip, a client might back out of a deal, a key team member could hand the notice in. When that happens, it's easy to spiral down and start questioning everything from your strategy to your self-worth. But there is a better way, and here's what a lot of successful owners do differently. They don't let one bad month mean something bad about them. They reflect, they reset, and they recommit. And here's how you can bounce back from a setback without losing momentum. Now, I call it the 3R method. And the first R is reflect. Ask yourself what worked well, what didn't work so well. What you want to do is remove the emotion and get really honest about things. The second R is reset. It's time to clean the slate. Reconnect with your why and your purpose and revisit your goals. And the third R is then recommit. Decide on one action to take today that moves the needle forward. Because small steps in the right direction, they all count. A bad month is feedback. It's not failure. It's data. It's a learning curve. Your job isn't to avoid setbacks. Your job is to build the resilience to rise again quickly, smarter and stronger after a setback. Okay, your actionable step for today. Please share in the comments what's one thing you're choosing to recommit to starting today. And remember, these tips only work if you work them. So give this a go. Take this idea from theory to practice and from practice to mastery. Because trust me, you are going to thank yourself later. Now you go out there and lead with clarity, courage and conviction, because the strongest part of your business should always be you.